Hello, I'm Velmore. Welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'm going to be making for you two recipes from the Heroes Feast cookbook. I'm going to be making for you Zzar, a smooth and creamy amaretto based beverage. And I'm going to be making for you Yawning Portal Buttermilk Biscuits. Let's get started. I'm going to start by putting the dry ingredients together. Flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and sugar. And I'm just going to whisk that together. So I'm going to put in the cold butter and get that coated a bit and really get in there and break up the butter in the flour. Now I'm going to add in the cold buttermilk and stir that around. Now in the greased up pan, I'm going to put my dough and then just even it out and make sure it gets in the corners. And then this is just going to get scored before going in the oven. And into the oven for 30 minutes. The Yawning Portal is a famous inn in the city of Waterdeep and is a frequent stopping point for adventurers who want to get to the dungeon that spans the city underneath. These biscuits, though, are a close second to why people like to show up to this inn. And the Zzar is probably a drink that would have been served alongside many of these biscuits, as it's just a popular drink in the Sword Coast. And after letting that cool just a little bit, I'm gonna get it out of the pan. And then just top it with a little more butter and let that melt on top. So to get the beverage started, I'm going to make some whipped cream. So starting with cream and sugar. And just whip them together. I'm going to add some amaretto to that and keep whipping it. I'm just going to let that refrigerate for a bit while I get the rest of it prepared. And now to mix the drink, I'm going to start with some ice. Some milk, amaretto, and some coffee liqueur. And then shake. And then pour. And put the whipped cream on top. So those biscuits were just what you want from a buttermilk biscuit. They were crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and oh, buttery. This definitely go great with any meal. And I'm sure my D&D group actually in Waterdeep has had a plate or 6 of these for themselves. And the Zzar was creamy and sweet and had a bit of a kick. It was very tasty. And I could definitely knock down a few more. And I hope you enjoy it. Like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram or Twitter at chef_Velmore. Links in the description below. And thanks for watching. Come on back next week for another recipe.